What's up YouTube, it's your boy Manny Cash here. Hey guys, in this video I got a little training ready for you. I want you to make sure you watch the whole video, like, subscribe, take note, because right now I'm going to be covering an intro on one of my guys that work here at the company. All right, so make sure you stay tuned, watch it all. Let's get it.
Poppin' fans, you know he got them stacks. Many cash. Poppin' fans, you know he got them.
So I got my man Zach right here. He is working with us here at the company. He's cold calling, and funny story between him and I. He's doing right now what I used to do about three and a half years ago, 4 years ago, which is selling at the mall. And he's a great salesman. Now he's getting into wholesaling. So he's cold calling, and I heard him, making a few phone calls, and I wanted to give him some tips, right, when it comes to the intro. So the reason why I'm recording this is just so he can learn, and then you guys that are watching can learn as well. So right now we are going through what we say when they say it's not me, right?
Yeah.
So let's do another example. So I'm gonna call you. He's gonna say it's not you.
Okay.
Ring, ring, ring.
Hello?
Yeah, Zach.
Hey, no, I think you have the wrong number.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I was just calling about a property here, Bandera Road. Just wanted to see if you consider selling it, but if it's not you, I'm sorry about that.
I think you have the wrong number on that one.
Okay, no problem. By any chance, do you happen to have a property you consider selling?
Yeah, I think I might have a few properties.
Okay,
around.
great. So see,
Yeah.
even though they say they're not, no, that's not me. You don't know if they have a property, but I told you, sometimes people just lie, right? They just say, oh, it's not me, but how can I help you?
Yeah.
I probably know him.
Up.
And then just keep going through. You always want to end up with this. Do you happen to have a property you consider selling?
Yeah.
At least finish your job by asking if they have a property for sale.
Yeah.
Let's do another one where you call me and it's not me.
Okay.
All right. So let's do a role play.
So I would call you.
Yeah,
and it's
you
not
call
you.
me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to tell them too. The problem I had is I'm adding a lot of words
Go
too.
ahead.
So I was adding a lot of words just for the tips. It's even with me selling at the mall, whatever. It's similar where you just have to make it quick and sweet. And I was adding a lot of words. So that's just a thing I want to let you guys know. Don't add too many words. Because even I felt, hey, this is too much. They'll be like. Yeah. You don't want to take too long as well. So
So the reason why I brought him over here is because in his intro he was adding a lot of words, like he said, and I just wanted him to keep it short, sweet, and simple. Like even if 5-10 years old will understand it. So let's go ahead and
Okay.
Go ahead, give me a call.
Okay. Ring.
Yeah, hello.
Hey Manny, how's it going?
Yeah, who is this?
Hey, it's Zach. I'm just calling about your property on Banner Road.
That's fine.
I just wanted to see if you were consider selling the property, right? Or would that? Okay.
Right there, you're getting there. You're getting the words. Just try to come out more smoothly.
Okay, yeah, that's.
And more natural. Just keep it, chill. Hey Zach, I'm calling you now.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Hey Zach.
Hey.
Hey, yes, Zach. This is Manny. I'm calling about a property here, Bandera Road. Just wanted to see if you consider selling it.
Yeah, I am.
Simple.
Yeah.
See.
So,
how long did that take me? Like 5-10 seconds the most?
Yeah.
Again, like I said, the words. Those are the words, bro. Like, keywords are calling about
the property on.
I just wanted to see and consider selling.
That's simple. That's so simple.
Simple, dude.
Yeah.
And it's always a yes or no question.
For sure.
If it's no, oh, no problem, man. By any chance, do you happen to have all the property or know somebody who's looking to sell a property? You have to ask that question because you may be surprised. They'll say, oh yeah, the neighbor is vacant, right? My uncle, my aunt has a property, somebody died in the family, so you never know.
Yeah.
For
sure. We can try it again. I think this time I might.
All right.
Let's go. Ring.
Yeah, hello?
Hey Manny, how's it? See, that's what I used to start with. Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
I think I got that one from Steve a little bit. He's like, hey, my name is Steve.
Yeah, so remember, everybody's different, right?
Yeah,
everybody has a different style. Like eventually you're gonna come up with your own style.
Yeah,
but for now, I would like for you to just
learn
the basic, just straight to the basic. Okay? So let's go.
And it's just about the practice. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Ring.
Yeah, hello?
Hey Manny?
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, it's Zach. I was just calling about the property on Banner Road. I wanted to see if you would consider selling.
That's it. Boom, that came out better.
Yeah, it's simple.
That came out better. Smoother, fast, simple. There was no
That's what I would.
It just flew. It just went through it.
One
more time, let's go.
Ring.
Yeah, hello?
Manny?
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, my name is Zach. I was just calling about the property on Bandera Road. I was just wanted to see if you'd consider selling.
Boom.
Simple.
Simple.
Yeah. That
See
helps.
that?
That helps a lot.
Now let's time it. I'm crazy like that, bro. Like.
It's a but no, but I feel like because even sometimes they rush you.
Yeah.
When I was on the phone and I'm even and they're like, what?
Yeah.
You know. So
Yeah.
this actually,
All
this took me to another level. So I might get a deal this week because of this. So you never know, right?
All right, so let's go.
All right.
We're gonna time it because time is important on the intro.
Okay.
And that's how I learned this, what I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Manny.
Yeah, who's this?
My name is Zach.
Yeah.
And I was just calling about the property on Bandera Road. I was wondering to see if you were consider selling the property.
Okay, that was about 9 seconds. We can do
Okay.
it better.
I could do.
We can do better. You
Okay.
you want to stay between 5 and 7.
5 and 7 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Let me practice real quick before I do that. Hey, my name is Manny. Hey, my name is Zach. I'm calling about the property on Bandera Road, and I wanted to see if you would consider selling the property. Is that wanted to?
Wanted to see if you consider
To see
selling.
if you would consider selling. Okay.
You don't want to say
Consider-
property again
okay.
because you already said the
Okay.
property.
So
yeah.
would you consider selling? Simple. and
Question
shut
mark.
up.
And then shut up. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That not is just. Okay.
All right, let's go. You got it. 1.
Hey, man. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, Manny.
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, it's Zach. I'm actually calling to see about the property on Bandera Road. I'm calling to see if you would consider selling the property. I messed that one up.
Okay, you
I
can do
was
it better.
just
You can do
calling
it better.
about the property on Bandera Road. That's where I messed up. Okay.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Manny.
Yeah, who's this?
Hey, it's Zach. I was calling about the property on Bandera Road. I was just wanting to see if you would consider selling the property.
Okay, selling the property. Take off the property because you already said the
That's
property.
what I said. That's what I messed
But
up.
that's better.
Consider
See,
selling.
that's about 7 seconds right there.
Okay.
So you,
If I take the property out.
if you would have taken the property out, you would have stick a 7.
Hey, Manny. My name is Zach. Thank you for answering the call, right? Do you say that too? Or at this point you just want...
You cool, but yeah, just get straight to the point.
What about the older people? There's some older... Hey, I can't hear you.
Okay,
So that
yeah. Okay, so if that happens, if you older people, hey, yeah, I'm sorry, let me talk a little bit slower. I was calling about, and then you enunciate more of the words. That's it. And then talk a little bit slower.
Okay.
But you gotta make sure you enunciate the words more. Like, I was calling about the property here at Bandera Road, and I just wanted to see if you consider selling it. That's it. All right. Now let's do one where they call back, because I heard you.
Yeah, they called back. I was like...
I heard you, and you were
Hey,
like,
Zach,
oh.
I just...
Yeah.
That's okay.
All right. So this is how you do it. You're calling me back. All right.
Okay. Ring, 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 ring.
Yeah. Hello. No, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
It's,
no,
it's a
I'm
call
calling
back.
you.
It's a
Yeah,
call
I'm
back.
calling
Okay. So let's ring.
Okay, okay. Ring, 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 ring.
Yeah, this is Manny. How can I help you?
Hey, I got a call from this number.
Yeah, great. Yeah, we were calling you about a property here at Bandera Road. Just wanted to see if you consider selling it.
Okay.
See, this is Manny. How can I help you? Yeah, you called me. Yeah, I was calling about a property up in Bandera Road. Just wanted to see if you consider. It's always the same.
Yeah.
Always, no matter what. It's always. I just wanted to see if you consider selling it. No, I'm not selling. Okay, well, no problem. Do you happen to have any other property? Oh yeah, actually, I'm selling. Okay, great. Now you get to your qualification process.
Okay. Yeah, that I was just like, hey, it's Zach.
Yeah. Now you say, hey, this is Zach. How can I help you?
Yeah, how can I help you? Hey, it's
See,
Zach.
how can I help you? Puts it back on them.
Yeah.
For them to say, well, you called me.
Yeah.
And when they say you called me, you know what you called.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were calling about a property here at Bandera Road. Just wanted to see if you consider selling it.
Yeah, and it makes it sound natural too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You
what I
see?
like. I want it to be smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna act like you called me back.
All right. Ring.
Hey, it's Zach. How can I help you?
Yeah, I received a phone call from this number.
Yeah, I was actually calling about the property on Bandera Road. I wanted to see if you would consider selling.
Boom.
That's it. I almost said property, but
Boom.
you took that out of my vocabulary.
That's
so
it.
good. All right.
That's it.
For sure. Okay, that's simple.
That's it.
These words just made life easier.
Yeah.
For sure. I already feel the difference, you know, as a buyer too. So I wanted to let them know about that too.
Awesome.
which-
Is it recording?
I hope so not.
Yeah, it's recording. All right, it's recording.
I was like,
All right.
we put a lot of energy.
All right, so it's feeling better, right?
Okay, yeah.
Feeling better?
And if I have anything, I'll come in.
Yeah, bro, just come through.
Role play. I think it just takes time to learn it.
Yeah.
You know?
Again, it's the same thing at the mall.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit different. The lingo is different, but it's the same thing, bro. It's a numbers game, you know. It's you know, in the mall you gotta pivot, right? When
Yeah.
people say, you know, people did this,
Yeah, for sure.
you gotta be able to pivot. Same thing here, right? Like, well, how do you get my number? Oh, great, I know. We just bought properties in that area, and I was looking to buy 2 more, and we just gather properties, keep trades it. I'm gonna be honest with you, and then everything is online. Sometimes we get lucky, sometimes we don't. But since I have you on the phone,
That's good that you brought that up, because some people ask you, how did you get my number? And I'll be like, hey, we have a CRM. So I wouldn't say that, right?
no,
okay.
don't say CRM, because CRM is different.
Okay, so I would say, and okay, that's a good thing you brought that up. What would I say in that
Okay, so
situation?
this one, I'm gonna try to keep it as short and as simple for you, because it can get very long. But this is how you're gonna do it. The shorter version is this. You always want to agree to that. That's a great question. That's a great question.
That's a great question.
That's a
okay.
great always. Hey, how do you get my
Disagree
number? Instead, that's a great question. Which is what a property right by yours, and we just get the addresses, send it to a third-party company to get the phone number. Sometimes we get lucky, sometimes we don't. It looks like in this case we did. Are you interested in selling?
So
See, I answered what they wanted, how I got the number, and then I ended with a question, because if you end up with a period, then it's gonna sound like awkward.
Yeah,
You know?
That's happened to me.
Awkward. No,
Yeah.
you always want to end it with a question mark, so that way they can reply back.
Okay, that's a good one. So for example, hey, how did you get my number? Well, I actually bought a house a few doors down. I put it through my third party resource. Can I say resource?
Yeah, resource.
Okay.
Yeah.
Third party resource. And it just put up the number. I say too much. That's what kills me. But even on the phone, people notice that.
They notice
that.
Yeah.
You know, you can for sure tell. So I could. Okay, how would I word that?
That one, I mean, it's a
third
little bit
party
longer.
resource. It's a
little bit
long,
longer.
Yeah.
Okay, what about when they tell you, make me an offer right out of the gate?
I haven't got that one
You
yet.
haven't got that yet?
I got one where, hey, I'm interested in selling, but I want to sell for a crazy price. You know.
A crazy price? What is that price?
Yeah. Well, one house it was worth like $350. It was like, oh, I want to sell for less than $500,000.
Ah, man, that's great. I may not be your buyer, man.
Yeah.
Just move on. Yeah.
Okay.
Have fun with it, you know. Just how you have fun at the mall, just have fun with it here,
sure.
you know. And remember, the mall is harder because they tell you no on your face.
Yeah.
Here's over the phone, just hang up and that's it. You
that's
move on.
it. You don't see them.
You don't see them, they don't care, and that's it, you know.
Yeah, I see a lot of people. I think that's all the scenarios, right? There's.
For now, yeah.
Okay. If I have any more, we'll definitely talk about it. Hopefully.
All right, you two. This is it for now. I hope you get some value out of this. My man here is gonna become a killer and a closer. I'm looking forward to seeing closing deals in the future. Let's get it. Let's go. Subscribe.
Many gifts, many